Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and in this short video what I want to do is I'm going to explain to you, I'm going to show you how this short book, and I'm not going to show you the title, I'll show you the title in just a second, but you'll see it's a super short book, it's a very easy read, how this short book actually made me $2,500 in 1 hour. Dead serious. Like, I read this book, and then the next morning, the day I got done reading it, the next morning I made $2,500 in 1 hour because what this book taught me, the principles were still fresh in my mind. Now, before I tell you about the book and how it made me $2,500 in a single hour, I want to say a couple of things. Number one, if you've been following me for years and years and years, if you've been following me since 2007 or 2008 or 2009, then this video might be a little familiar to you, because what I'm doing is I'm actually redoing this video because when I first put it out there back in 07, 08, 09, somewhere around that, probably 08 or 09, the response I got from it was so awesome that I decided that it'd been so long, I'd redo it again for you. So yeah. There's something else I was going to say, but I can't remember what it was, so we'll just roll with it. All right, so what is this book and how did it make me $2,500 in an hour, and how does this apply to you? Now, if you've been on my list, you may know that I recommend this book all the time, but I haven't recommended it in a while just because I haven't. So I'm going to go ahead and do it now. The book, which you may be familiar with, is called The Go-Giver. The Go-Giver is based on this idea of the value of reciprocity. Basically, the idea behind the book is just give as much value as you can. That's it. Just give as much value as you can. Be more concerned with other people and their challenges, and just give as much value as you can. So I read this book several years ago. And the day after I read it, I was on the phone with a prospect. Now, normally, if you've been in this industry for a while, you know that when I say I'm on the phone, I'm usually on the phone doing a sales call, right? I'm trying to sell somebody into my coaching program. But here's what I did. When I was on the phone with this individual trying to sell my coaching program, I was actually implementing what I learned in this book. And this book said, just focus on them and give as much value to them as possible. Give, give, give. So while I was on the phone with this individual, I forgot to actually sell him. What I started doing was I started listening to him and to his challenges and where he wanted to go in his business. And I listened and I listened and I listened. And I gave him the best advice I could give him. Like, oh, you should do this. And oh, here's a good idea. And oh, this is what this guru taught me that I learned that might be applicable here. And an hour later, after we got on the phone, an hour after we get on the phone, he's like, all right, Devon, I'm in. How much is it? And I said, how much is what? He said, your coaching. I know you're going to sell it to me. Just tell me how much it is. And I literally had forgotten that I was supposed to be on the phone selling him my coaching because I was so in give mode, right? I was so in give mode, and I gave so much that he wanted more, and he asked me, and I was like, oh, it's $2,500. He was like, I'm in. Hold on, let me go get my card. And I'm like, excuse me? You gotta be kidding me. I say all this to say that in your business, my suggestion to you is that you're going to be the most successful if you are giving and if you are helping other people solve their challenges. That's like part of the reason I make these videos. Okay? Part of the reason is just so I can hear myself give myself decent advice. So, but the other thing is that I hope that these videos actually spark something in you or help you achieve whatever goal you want to achieve, whether you like it, whether you comment on it or not. If you take some of this information, anything I've ever taught over the years, and you take it and you go run with it, and you are successful with it, then I am happy. All right? So, I say all that to say a couple of things. Number one, go get this book. It's called The Go-Giver. Just go Google it. It's all over Amazon.com. I'm not going to include an affiliate link or anything. I don't care. Just go get the damn book. It's number one. Number two, in your life and in your business, just ask yourself this question. How can you add value to others? How can you give? Give without the expectation of anything in return, of getting anything in return. If you're giving so that you will get something in return, then you're not giving. You're bartering, right? You're not giving. So I can't think of the word is that I want to use, but you're not giving, all right? And I completely lost my train of thought, and my brain just went totally blank. So we're just going to end the video here, because I can't remember what I was going to say. And I'm getting old, and I'm getting Alzheimer's, because my birthday is coming up. So like this video, comment on it, share it, and give as much as you can, and go get this book. And I'm not saying that if you get it, you'll make $2,500 the next day. I'm saying that I applied the principles, and that was the result that I got. And I thought it was really neat, so I wanted to share it with you because I hadn't shared it with you in a while. So that's all I got. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.